Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. Noor Saida. For those of you who are new here, I am an endodontist, that is a root canal specialist and a part-time YouTuber. Well, do you wake up in the morning and you realize that you have so much to accomplish and you just lie down on the bed wondering how to start, from where to start, and how to have all this work done, and you waste the first few hours of your day just wondering how to complete this and to make a plan on how to get your work done and how to have a productive day, but ultimately end up having a stressful, anxiety-filled and unproductive day? Well, let me help you out in this video of how you can have a productive day just by using or utilizing two small habits or developing two small habits, and that helped me also have a more productive and a more beneficial day. Let's move on. So, a first habit that basically helped me have a better planning or a better productive week, month, or a day is to have yourself a planner. A planner is a book which basically helps you to write down anything that you need to plan for the whole year, for a month, a week, or even day wise specifically. So the planner that I have basically has monthly tags to it. Now this helps me accomplish or write down my goals that I need to complete roughly in each month, and hence I know what I need to do for the year, and it helps me be productive throughout the year. Now even if I go to each month, now I will have a roughly goal which I can write down as the goal of the month. For example, be happy or lose weight, complete anatomy or complete physiology or learn guitar. So these are my rough goals for the month. Now how I accomplish my goals depends upon the kind of planning that I will do, and if I do not have a proper plan or a proper system to complete these goals in this whole month, then I'll not be able to accomplish my goal. So for me to have or to complete a goal or to accomplish a goal, I need to have a plan, and that's exactly what this planner will help me do. For example, this planner first of all provides me with a monthly or a weekly schedule where I can actually write down the most important thing that I need to do on that specific day of the week, and hence if even if I don't not able to complete any of the things, I should be able to complete that specific thing on that specific day, and hence that's how I plan my month. So apart from this weekly schedule or monthly schedule that you will get, you also this planner also helps me plan my day more specifically. I basically write down anything or any that I need to accomplish in that day. Anything that's either related to studies or my daily routine, I write it down, and whenever I finish my work, I tick it, and this helps me to be more productive in nature. So I write down the date and then I write down whatever I have to complete. So I don't feel irritated, or I don't have to get up in the morning and plan my schedule throughout the day. So the schedule is already planned for me. The to do list is already ready for me. So all I have to do is get up in the morning and just follow whatever I have to do. So this is how my planner basically helps me to be more productive in nature. Now, talking further about planning the day more specifically, well, you can either plan your day in detail. For example, what you do every half an hour. For example, you wake up at 8 o'clock, you have tea or you have your lime juice, you work out for 30 minutes, you have shower, breakfast or vitamins, or you can, study what you have to study about tongue, pharynx, or muscles of mastication, and you take a break and you have lunch and then you take a nap. So either you can plan your day more specifically, or you can also just plan your day depending upon what you have to just study. For example, if you have to study tongue or pharynx, muscles of mastication, solve AIMS questions, you can go to complete your college work, or you listen to Dr. Noor's oral pathology lectures. uh, Now when you have only a study or a to-do list, what you can do is you can even prioritize what needs to be completed first. For example, you need to complete your tongue first, and muscles of mastication second, and then pharynx third, and listen to oral pathology lectures fourth, and then the fifth priority is to solve the AIMS question, and the last priority too is to do your college work. Now, so you can plan your schedule like this, and this helps you for you to be more productive in nature. Now out of this six things or seven things that you've planned throughout the day, on a basic average you will be able to complete at least four to five things on a day. We spoke about planning your month, planning the week, and planning the day. Of all the three, the most important probably is that you plan the day more specifically, and that is, you write down all the things that you need to do in a day. But of this, the probably the most important thing that you will do is that you will plan your day a day before. That is, you plan the next day just before you go to bed, and you write down all the things that you need to do the next day, so that the next morning that you get up, you don't have to waste time and understanding or thinking that what all you need to do today, and how much time is going to take, or what are the priorities that you have to finish, or what are the other things that you have to complete. What you need to do is, just before you go to bed, you take a planner, you write down all the things that you need to do. So this is how I plan my day. I plan my day, my next day, just before going to bed, and the next morning all I have to do is just get up and follow whatever I have written. So this keeps me at peace, and it keeps me happy, and I'm less stressful because I don't have to get up and have the anxiety of planning the day, or just thinking, or lying on the bed and feeling unproductive and thinking, don't know what I have to do today. So this is how I plan my day every single day, that is just before going to bed. And this is something which has really impacted my lifestyle. It has made me more productive in nature, and it made me more accountable of what I do throughout the day. So having a plan like this will help you with three important things. One is that you actually have a more productive day. Even if you're not able to complete all the things, like I said, you'll be able to complete at least five of the things, and whatever you have prioritized as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the rest you will carry over for the next day. So first of all, you're accountable and you're more productive about what are you doing. So you will actually have a plan for throughout the week, and you know how your month is going to go, or how your week is going to go. And it is not necessary to have a perfect plan, but eventually when you keep planning every day, you know what works out best for you, and you know how much you will be able to complete throughout the day, and you will get to know or understand yourself and what kind of schedule works best for you. Second thing is, since you are being productive in nature, it gives an immense amount of feel good factor. It gives an immense amount of confidence that you are having some amount of work completed, some amount of schedule is being completed, and it gives a quality factor, a feel good factor in life. And the third most important thing is that you're having good mornings. Now, when you wake up in the morning, you don't have the anxiety to plan the whole day. This is the importance of having a plan, that you're having a productive day, which ultimately leads to a good quality of life. So another advice that I would like to give you is that once you get up in the morning, don't let your mind think. Now, there is a 5 second rule which says that if you let your mind think for more than 5 seconds, you actually not end up doing the thing that you have planned. So don't let your mind think, just get up from the bed and go ahead immediately and follow your plan. And as soon as you start finishing your uh, schedule, which was, so as soon as you start finishing your to-do list, whatever you have written down in your plan, you start taking it, you will ultimately get your feel good factor, and your entire day will move on to be productive. So it's the 5 seconds in the morning that you need to not think about what is going to happen throughout the day, and you need to be planned before you go to bed the previous night. And this is how this has helped me be more productive in nature, and this is how I can actually multitask and do multiple things that I do. That is, I manage my work, I manage home, I manage my YouTube channel, which I try to basically record on my own, and even upload videos on my own. I try to manage my Instagram page. So these are the multitasking things that I do, and it has helped me. I'm able to manage all this only because I plan these things on a pre-hand, and I think this will also help you. Also, anybody who is exam going, or a home taker who has children and has to work together, also anybody who has doing multitasking, then I'm sure this will be very helpful for them. So if you have like this video, you can always like, share and subscribe to my channel, or leave a comment below if you would like to see any such other videos. Have a good day, and thank you for watching my video. For more such videos, please like, share, follow, and subscribe my YouTube channel. You can also follow me on Instagram. Have a good day. Thank you.